Hello children, today we are going to start EVS chapter My Body. Our body is a wonderful machine. It has so many parts like head, ear, nose, lips, eyes, tongue, neck, shoulder, hand, fingers, leg and toes. These are our body parts. I am repeating these parts: head, ear, eyes, lips, nose, tongue, neck, shoulder, hand, fingers, leg and toes. These are our body parts. Our body is divided into two different parts. Different parts of body do different types of activities. These activities like thinking, digestion, movement, etc. These are called organs. These are called organs. There are two types of organs: internal organ and external organ. Internal organ, the organs which are inside our body and we cannot see them, these are called internal organs. The first internal organ is brain. Brain is very important for our body. It helps us to think and remember. It controls other parts of our body. Next, heart. If you touch the left side of your chest, it feels beating. It is your heart. It pumps blood to all our body. Next part is lungs. There are two lungs in our body. It helps us to breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Next is kidney. Kidney help us to purify the blood and waste from our body. Next is stomach. The things we eat, it goes to the stomach. It helps in our digestion. The food digests in 4 hours. Next is bones. In our body there are so many bones. Bones are very hard and strong. It helps to hold the things in our body. Next is muscles. Bones and muscles are work together in our body. Earlier we have talked about the internal organs. Now next is external organs. The organs which outside of our body are called external organs, like eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. These are called external organs and these are called sense organs also. First is eyes. Eyes are help us to see. Eyes are help us to see. We can see so many things with our eyes. Next is nose. Nose is help us to smell. It help in breathing also. Next is ears. Ears help us to hear. Next organ is tongue. It helps us to taste. We can taste so many things with our tongue: sweet, sour, salty and bitter also. Next organ is skin. Skin help us to feel. Our body covered with this skin. Now I repeat my words. Body parts: head, ear, eyes, nose, lips, tongue, neck, shoulder, hands, fingers, leg and toes. Our body is divided into two parts. Two organs like internal organ and external organs. Internal organs are brain, heart, lungs, kidney, stomach, bones and muscles. Now next is external organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. These are our organs. Children, now I am going to tell you a very important thing to stay fit and healthy. First is, take your breakfast daily. Have your meals regularly on time. Do exercise daily. Go to sleep on time. And thank you. Have a nice day.